Hi, it's Sherri-Lyn again. I just was going to say, now it's actually starting to rain harder, so you can see the rain now coming down, and you can hear it, and it sounds really nice. Look at these big trees, aren't they nice, pretty? Anyways, I'm just sitting outside enjoying my day. I'm doing my mom's laundry for her, so, and then after that's done, I'm going to go back home. I worked Saturday and Sunday, but I'm off now, so just enjoying the outdoor weather, this rain and this beautiful scenery outside. Anyhow, you get a little closer. I don't want to go right out in it, but okay, well, take care. Bye.